making sure that people understand that this is viable, that this is scalable, and that this is an efficient solution to the problem.